To find new video ideas, our next tool is VidIQ. VidIQ is a very popular tool to help YouTube creators grow their channels. It offers features like keyword research, video optimization, and daily video ideas to its users. To get started with VidIQ, you will need to create an account. You can sign up from the link below and start using it for free. Once you are on the homepage of VidIQ, click on the Start for Free button. And after that, you need to choose a sign-up method. After you complete your sign-up process, the next step will be authorizing VidIQ to access your YouTube channel. This will allow VidIQ to analyze your channel and offer personalized suggestions. But if you have any technical issues, you can contact VidIQ Help Center from this page here or from the button in your dashboard. I'll also link this page in the description part of this video. So once you are on the dashboard and assuming that your channel is connected to VidIQ, VidIQ should start suggesting video ideas every day based on your channel's niche and video data. If you can't see this table here, then probably you don't have enough videos published, or VidIQ is not able to access your channel's data, otherwise you should see it. In your VidIQ dashboard, go to the Ideas section in the left-hand menu or click to this button and you will access to the Ideas page. On this page, VidIQ will present you a list of 10 new video ideas each day. You can also view them as cards if you click on this button here. These ideas here are personalized for your channel and your channel's niche. They will be updated every single day and the ideas are ranked based on the view prediction. VidIQ also uses AI features and scans YouTube to identify trending topics and popular keywords in your niche and brings you new video ideas based on that data. If you wish, you can also use these ideas in other social media platforms as well. If you look carefully, VidIQ also suggests short-form content ideas. But keep in mind that this table here changes every single day. So once you view the ideas here, you can save an idea by clicking on this button. Then it will be saved, or dismiss from this button those that you don't find interesting. Later, you can view both the saved and the dismissed ideas by clicking on these tabs here. And in the customized ideas section, you can assign here keywords that resonates with your channel, and VidIQ will bring additional ideas. VidIQ is actually a keyword research tool which also helps you find many video ideas. Go to the keywords section on the left-hand menu, and here you can enter a keyword or a phrase. For example, make money online. And VidIQ will provide you metrics like search volume, competition score, and overall score for these keywords. But it will also bring you a list of related keywords, matching terms, and questions including your keywords, which can be each new video ideas for you. You can start using VidIQ for free, but some features are paid. You can find more details about the pricing plans on this page here. I will also link it below. And I have another video if you want to learn more about the VidIQ features and keyword research. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.